Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to install TikTok as an app on PC. So, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to www.tiktok.com. And at the right of the top, click Settings and More. And go to Apps. Click Install this site as an app. You can rename the app. After that, click Install. It's done. You can check or uncheck options. After that, click Allow or Don't Allow. It's all done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share. See you in the next video.